Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log out of the Life360 app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and tap on this icon to open up your settings menu. This gear icon is your gateway to all the configuration options and account management features within Life360, so it's an important section to know how to access. Once you tap the gear icon, the settings menu will open up, displaying various options for managing your account and app preferences. Now you'll need to scroll down through the settings menu. Take your time scrolling until you locate the logout option. This option is typically positioned toward the bottom of the settings list, so you may need to scroll past several other settings before you find it. When you spot the logout option, tap on it to proceed. This action tells the app that you want to disconnect from your current account and end your session. It's a straightforward step, but the app needs to make sure you really want to log out before completing the action. After tapping log out, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Life360's way of double-checking that you genuinely want to log out and haven't accidentally tapped the option. The confirmation prompt helps prevent accidental logouts, which is especially important since Life360 is often used for family safety and location tracking purposes. On this confirmation screen, you'll see another logout button. Go ahead and tap it to confirm your decision. Once you tap this final logout button, the app will immediately disconnect you from your account and return you to the login screen. Your session will be ended and you'll no longer be sharing your location or receiving updates from your circles until you log back in. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Life360 account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.